Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 17, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 17, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 17, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 35 million pesos for Wednesday, April 17, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 17, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.